Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy social media ads with Facebook, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Facebook account and navigating to the Facebook Ads Manager. Once in the Ads Manager, click on the green Create button to start a new campaign. Choose your campaign objective based on your marketing goals. Common objectives include brand awareness, traffic, engagement, and conversions. After selecting your objective, name your campaign and set your budget. Decide if you want to set a daily or lifetime budget, then input the amount you wish to spend. Next, move on to the audience section to define your target audience. You can narrow down your audience based on location, age, gender, interests, and behaviors. Once your audience is set, choose your ad placements. You can select automatic placements or edit placements to choose where your ads will appear. Now it's time to set your budget and schedule. Decide whether your ad should run continuously or for a specific duration. After that, click on Next to create your ad. Choose the ad format you would like to use, such as single image, video, carousel, or slideshow. Upload your media files and ensure they meet Facebook's guidelines. Write compelling ad copy that resonates with your audience. Be sure to include a clear call to action that encourages users to engage. Preview your ad to see how it looks across different placements. Make any necessary adjustments to optimize your ad. Once you are satisfied, click the Publish button to launch your campaign. Monitor your ad performance regularly in the Ads Manager. Adjust your strategy based on the data and insights you collect to improve results. By following these steps, you can effectively deploy social media ads on Facebook to reach your marketing goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.